On July 20th, a call came in to the Los Angeles Police Department reporting a man armed with a gun near Prairie Street in Northridge. An LAPD airship was the first to spot the suspect, who was attempting to flee the area on a skateboard. This initiated a police response that would ultimately lead to a foot pursuit and an officer-involved shooting.
What sidewalk? Northwest?
Right, 903, you passed him. And 803. He's going to be crossing.
Body camera footage begins as ground units close in on the suspect, identified as 28-year-old Romario Iraheta, near a shopping center. An officer is seen exiting his vehicle and giving chase. According to the official LAPD report, during this foot pursuit, the situation escalated dramatically. Iraheta allegedly pointed a firearm directly at the pursuing officers.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Spread your fucking feet! Spread your feet!
Put your arms out to the side! Don't move!
Keep coming. Make a right. 95, make a right. Alright, go to the next opening. Behind that building, go to the next.
Don't move! Go back! You're gonna get shot! Don't fucking move!
Go east. Make a right there. Drive. Make a right. Right there. And then go to the...
Put your hand out where we can see it!
Put your hands out to the
Don't move!
Don't fall out. You're gonna hold there. You're gonna use your flag.
Don't fucking move! You're gonna be shot!
Neil City officers just off your left side.
Stay still on the ground!
Sufficient units hold. I'll call it Prairie, or correction, Corbin, north of Prairie on the east side.
Sufficient units only Corbin, north of Prairie on the east side.
I got it.
We're down the ground.
Why is the bleeding?
Official reports state that Iraheta was struck by the gunfire but continued to run for a short distance before he was apprehended and taken into custody. He was transported to a hospital and later booked on charges of assault with a deadly weapon on a police officer. Investigators at the scene recovered a black steel handgun, which was loaded with a high-capacity magazine and live rounds. The incident remains under investigation. This encounter highlights the speed at which a situation can evolve from a simple foot pursuit to a deadly force encounter.